Have you ever felt that no matter how hard you try, you just can't learn fast? You watch videos, you read books, you feel motivated, but after a few days, you forget everything. And then you say one dangerous sentence to yourself, maybe I'm just not intelligent enough. But here's the truth. The problem is not your intelligence. The problem is no one ever taught you how to learn. School taught you subjects. Life taught you struggle. But no one taught you how to control your mind. And until you control your mind, learning will always feel slow. But today, everything changes. Because these 5 mind tricks can literally reprogram your brain. Trick number 1. Stop consuming, start struggling. Your brain doesn't grow when things are easy. Your brain grows when things are hard. What does that mean? Watching videos is not enough. Pause, think, repeat. Test yourself. Because in that moment of struggle, your brain is becoming stronger. It feels uncomfortable, but that's where real growth happens. Trick number 2. Emotion is the secret key. Do you know why you remember painful memories so clearly? Because emotion was involved. Emotion is the glue of memory. If you learn without emotion, you will forget. But if you learn with emotion, you will remember forever. So next time, don't just learn with your mind, learn with your emotion. Trick number 3, teach, even if no one is there. The fastest learners in the world are not just students, they are teachers. When you try to explain something, your brain is forced to understand it deeply. Even if no one is in the room, teach yourself. Because when you teach, you don't just remember, you understand. Trick number 4, your brain learns when you rest. This might sound strange, but your brain doesn't only learn when you work. Your brain also learns when you rest. When you overload yourself, you slow down. But when you rest, you grow faster. Sometimes doing nothing is doing everything. Trick number 5, change your identity. This is the most powerful trick of all. Stop saying I'm a slow learner. Start saying I learn fast. Because your brain listens to your identity. Whatever you believe, your brain turns into reality. The moment you change your identity, everything begins to change. Listen carefully. You are not slow. You are not broken. Your brain is not weak. Your brain is just untrained. And your training starts today. No talent needed, no special gift needed, just a decision to change your life forever.